Hello friend, welcome back. So let's use this playground to play array, okay? Another important things in coding. And before that, let's make a commit for this one, so you can see all the source code here in our GitHub repository. Git status, yeah, modify, yeah, git commit dash a. So we can say tried three programming concepts in Xcode playground named Swift day 01 playground, like that. Escape. Okay, so git status again, yeah, clean, git push. Okay, now we'll clean up these things, try to play with array. Let's try. So array is a container, right? We put the element in the container in order. So let's say let integer array, like that, equals, let's put some integer, right? I like prime numbers, okay? Everyone loves it because it's the atom of our number counting number system. 5, 7. Okay, let's do that. So this is an array. So we have 4 elements, right, in the array. How can we play with that? We can print out the first one. Okay, so print the first array is this syntax, right? Bracket. This is called a subscript, right? Subscript 0. Okay, let's try it. Run it. Two here. Yeah, true. That's the first, right? What about the next one? Print int array, right? Sub 1. That's the second one. Now run it. Yeah, we got it immediately too. Okay, let's do all of them. This is right. Make a copy of that. So 2, 3, right? All of them. What if we try to access another one, like sub 4, right? It will crash. Let's try. Yeah, error execution was interrupted. The reason, yeah. So if we put this kind of code in our app, right, it will crash at this point. The whole app will stop. This, yeah, this is invalid. It's a runtime problem. It compiles, so compiler doesn't complain about that, but when it runs, when it executes this piece of code, it crashes. Okay, so we cannot do that. Now let's do it again. Yeah, everything is fine again. What is the data type of that, of this? We can hold on option key to click here to check. Let int. Oh, the data type is, you see, bracket int. Okay, so if we want to make this explicit, we can do that, like int. It's still same, nothing changed. Yeah, we just make this. So without that, Xcode can infer from the data, can infer the data type. It figures out, oh, so this is an int array, right? In the array, so it can infer that. Now, since we already have a feeling about what a playground is, right? I think it's time to migrate our trying from playground to the other place I prefer. So we'll create a test bundle here. So that's, yeah, so this is our normal program file, source code, right? So click the project here, connect 4, and we can create another target in here by clicking this plus sign, add a target. Okay, macOS, let's find out test unit test bundle here, right? This guy. Now next, so yeah, by default the name is connect 4 tests. Okay, we can accept everything here, finish. Okay, so you see one folder here, connect 4 tests, right? Connect 4 tests is created, and by default there's our one test file here, and we already introduced this kind of thing in our previous videos, and so it looks familiar, right? So here we can click this guy, this icon here, the diamond, right, to run any code inside this block. Yeah, so we'll migrate this code to here. So let's delete that because it's so easy to create one. It's called connect 4 test. Okay, so that we can even delete this guy, so we can create a new one. Right click here, new file. So oh yeah, so we need to select a proper template here, unit test case class, right? Unit test case. Okay, next, because we want to play with array, so we'll do array tests. We'll use this name, right? Next, and create. So now it's here. Let's move it to the top, and we don't need the older one. Delete it because it's so easy to create a test file on our own. So delete, remove, move to trash. Yeah, here's same thing. Now array tests, we'll create a test case, a function for this one. Okay, so we can say type test, right? Enter, test what? Test int array. Okay, now let's copy all the code from here to here. Yeah, import xc test. This guy already includes Coco, I guess. So let's see. Now there's no diamond here, right? You can click this guy to run it, or we can do a save, command S. Yeah, now it pops up, right? This, let's give it a try. Now the output will be in the bottom console. Yeah, from now on the output is here, same thing like that, right? So we'll say bye bye to our playground. Sorry for the naming, Swift day 01 playground. We'll never come back to day 2. Okay, bye bye. Yeah, so we can we can even use, right, the xct assert equal, right? Because so we can make sure two things are equal to each other. What? For example, this guy 7, the last, right, the last element 7 equals int array right? Sub 3. Okay, so let's try it. Yeah, so if we put 9 here, it will failed with a red color. Yeah, so I think this is more convenient, even powerful, more powerful than yeah, for our purpose is better than playground. Okay, so let's put it back. 7. Okay, and run again. And the shortcut key to run all the test cases, right, is Command U. Yeah, let's show you here. Test. Yeah, Command U. Command U will run all of them. If we, yeah, you will see in the future, if we have a multiple, right, multiple functions, multiple test files, all of them will be run using shortcut key Command U. Okay, another thing for the array is we can print out its length. Int array dot count, right? It will be 4. Okay, now that's it. Run it. Yes, it will be 4. So we can do this, right? Because this one is 4, you see here, this number. So we can use the 3 actually is the last element in this array, because this is index 0, index 1, index 2, index 3. 3 is this guy, the count is 4, right? Minus 1. So this one will int array, if we int array dot count minus 1, this will be flexible, right? If we add another like 11 here, this still works, right? Oh, now the last one will be 11. Yeah, so let's delete that to make sure it passes. Say if we forgot, right, to replace this one, now Command U, it failed, right? It says assert equal failed. 7 is not equal to 11. Yeah, of course. Now Command U again. So, right, this is how we play the int array. And we'll continue with our array introduction in our next video. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time.